I'm excited to announce that this year I am again a part of the 5-day deal. This year I have 2 tutorials involved. I have my mastering, dodging, and burning and my post-processing astrophotography tutorials thrown in this bundle. And if you're not already familiar with what this 5-day deal thing is, it's basically this massive bundle that gets put together once a year for sale for 5 days, and 10% of all the income generated from this bundle goes to charities of the people that are actually buying the bundle's choice. So it's a really cool thing. This year, there's some other really amazing people involved. We have F-Stoppers and Flern. We have Mass Peter Iverson. We have Ryan Dyer, whose videos are really awesome. We have Gavin Hardcastle.
Oh yeah, Gavin Hardcastle. I like that guy. Lots of fart jokes.
Most of the people involved are really awesome. I'm going to put a link in the description down below if you want to check out more information on who's all involved with this really awesome bundle. I know I've already went through and checked out a lot of the videos in there, and there's some really great stuff. So if you're interested in helping charity, if you're interested in a really good deal, this is a good thing to pick up, because for the price of 2 of my tutorials, you can have it's like $3,300 worth of other tutorials and software and ebooks. It's a great thing to pick up every year.
I just hate tutorials. I would rather learn things the hard way.
All right, I just wanted to let you guys know about the 5-day deal. I'm really excited to be a part of something so cool where I can actually help generate money for charity just by throwing some of my videos in a bundle. It's really awesome. So hopefully you guys will check it out, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take it easy, everybody.